knockout bar. I want to take the drive out. When I started planning this out on a table, I started to look at that leg diameter we've got there and trying to figure out where the mortises have got to come into to our slot. So get that V, so it's an equilateral triangle. In reality it's 3 legs, so they're coming in equally. So try to look at that. Now again, then trying to figure out how we can transfer that to the lathe to make it easy to do. So let's put our chuck on here. I get it square. I can show you how you can start to lay this out a little bit. So let's get you looking in a little bit. We need a square that comes up high enough so we can align this. So we've got one of the UJK squares. So we're looking here, we've got our line that comes down. That's great. Okay, now I've opened the indexing up on the lathe. And I kind of worked out with this, it's an equilateral triangle, so I should be able to work out the spacing. Now this has 24 holes on the indexing. So therefore, if we rotate 8, 16 and then go 24, get those 3 positions. So got one there, we bring this round, I've got to ride the square back because we've got to offset it to this side, we get the other. Right, so we can work out those positions and then look at where we are with the indexing, which is on the lathe. We'll get you to have a look at that in a sec. Right, I'm just going to take this handle off here. We've opened the top up so we can have a look inside. We've got our pulley. On the back here, there's a hand wheel. It is numbered. There's 1 to 24 down on here. I've also already played around a little bit. If I come round, I've highlighted where I want to locate. So, one there. If I look down on this, and then I've got this screw-in knob down on here. So if I align my green line, which I've got here, which I looked at earlier, I can screw this in. This will lock into that position. That one there. That's screwed right in. If I bring it round and I look for my 8, I came round to there. I screwed in here. Alright, so highlighting on the pulley with a green line, I can easily get rid of that. My locking point is there. I can look down on this. So I've got my 2 positions set off of there. So that initial working out with the disc, drawing that on as an equilateral triangle worked really well to give me the positions to double check it on here for those 2 green lines. So I can unscrew the knob again, come back round. So I've looked inside with the green line. We're going to look at our disc in a second. So we've got our lock point, that's locked in. I've screwed the knob in. Then if we come back round to the front, I line up my square on my pencil line. Got to stop it wiggling, that's not bad. Oop. There you go. 1. If I undo the knob from here, twist it round, have a lock-in point is there. Our other line, and again balancing off the lathe bed a bit there, lines up there. So we can show now how you can get that equilateral thing using the indexing. Really good to do.